So please welcome, first of all, Dr. Jackqueline Mclean-Markes to move the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. I am going to try and go through this as quickly as possible, but please understand and bear with me. Without all these supporters and everyone that supports JAHJAH, it's not possible. So we just have to say thanks to everyone, and then we'll get to our dancing and, of course, our entertainment for the evening. Distinguished guests, friends of JAHJAH Foundation, family, on behalf of the Board of Directors of the JAHJAH Foundation, it is my pleasure and honor to extend a hearty vote of thanks to all who have made the past 5 years possible, and tonight a great success. Thank you again, our honorees, for your tireless efforts in helping JAHJAH Foundation in achieving a memorable and impactful 5 years. Our sponsors, Trans-Caribbean Shipping, Sunsplash Bakery and Restaurant, McLean Smiles, Metropolitan OBGYN, Indulgence Spa, Lincoln's Pharmacy, The Pit Stop, Friends of Ulster Spring, Cool Runnings Barbershop, Beth Israel Medical Center, Ivy Dental, Kings County Hospital, Dr. Winston Scott's Eye Physician and Surgeon, People's Choice Restaurant, Heights Realty, Barnabas Health, Grace Kennedy LaFay, Rutgers, New Jersey Medical Center, Midtown Direct Realty, Friends of Eastern St. Thomas, Caribbean Delight, Claudette Powell's colleagues. We thank you for your generosity, support, and commitment to the people of Jamaica. Thank you, Jamaica Diaspora supporters. We're always confident in knowing that support is only a call or email away. We appreciate the responsiveness and efficiency of our friends, Mr. Erwin Clare and Team Jamaica Bickle, Dr. Maria Solis and the team at Columbia University, the Wyndham Gardens Hotel, Royal Tropical Bakery, Dark Foundation New York, who assists with medical supplies, Donnie Robinson from Trinity Health Clinical Engineering, and all those who help to sell tickets. It may be a cold night here in New Jersey, but there are plenty of warm hearts and helping hands here, and for that we are so very grateful. Thank you. A special thanks to Linda Colon from Grace Foods LaFay, Michelle Mitchell, Leroy Booth, please be patient with me, Donnie Robinson from Trinity Clinical Health, guests from Kings County Hospital in Brooklyn, New York, Rutgers University Hospital, Bonita Hickman from Newark Beth Israel, and the entire Beth Israel family. There is so much that goes on behind the scenes in planning and executing our annual mission trip. Our partners in Jamaica work hard to ensure that our resources are directed to those most in need and to ensure a positive experience for the missions team. Thank you. Southeastern Regional Health Authority, Western Regional Health, the Ministry of Health, Kingston Public Hospital, and a special mention to Dr. Hugh Wong, our local champion, the National Health Fund, Jamaica AIDS Support for Life, team at Bustamante Hospital, Friends of Ulster Spring, Whitfield Henry, Errol McBean, for your hospitality guidance, resources, support, and all that you do to ensure an impactful mission. Gratitude to our host, Dr. Alfred Dawes, Nesbeth and his team, Mr. Durban Malcolm, Master of Ceremonies. A big thank you to you and the Paragonus family, Superflex, Afri, Yoshanda, Garvin Gray and Bonita Jamaica, the Great Cliff Venue, Van Aye Sunlight of Site Media, Andrea Jean-Baptiste, and our production team and volunteers. Thank you to the warm and very organized team here at the Great Cliff. We have enjoyed your hospitality and ambiance. And last but not least, thank you to Dr. Trevor Dixon, Ms. Karen Shields, and our foundation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Jackqueline Mclean-Markes. All that's left for us to do is to thank you for thanking everyone. Thank you very much. Okay. But there's a lady here, humility becomes her. Because she's been sitting here so quietly. I didn't even realize she was here. And she's such an important lady. She is the Jamaica Diaspora Board Member for the Northeast United States of America. So this is the lady that represents all of you who live in the Northeast. Yes, indeed. Her name is Joan Pinnock. Please stand and be acknowledged. Joan Pinnock, Diaspora Advisory Board Member for the Northeast U.S. And I should let you know there's a Jamaica Diaspora Northeast Regional Conference and awards presentation coming up the 10th and 11th of June. Make a note of it. The 10th and 11th of June. Is it at the Hilton? Hilton JFK. Hilton JFK, 10th and 11th. And the awards function will be chaired by Oliver Samuels, Jamaican comedian. So that's June 10 and 11. The Jamaica Diaspora Advisory Board Northeast Region Conference, Diaspora Regional Conference, and awards presentation. So make note of that. Thank you very much for coming, Joan Pinnock.